Alright, what's going on, you guys? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of the DJI Neo. I bought this drone back in early September, had to pre-order it, and it just showed up in the mail today, October 1st. This isn't typically a drone that I figured would interest me. You know, I'm more of a cinematic drone fan, and this is not necessarily a drone that's going to be producing cinematic content. That's not what it's for. But this drone just seems so easy and so fun to use that I had to buy one. This is pretty small box. This is just the drone, so I didn't buy the motion controller or the goggles anyway. I just plan to use this drone without a controller and without a controller and with my smartphone. So we'll be doing a quick unboxing video of the drone today, and then I'll be making subsequent videos in the very near future, flying this drone and doing tutorials on how to use it. But today's just the unboxing video. I'm super excited to use this thing, so let's get into it. Alright, y'all, here is the DJI Neo in its box in all of its glory. So we'll go ahead and open her up to see. We'll start by pulling off this little seal here, and we will see what we have inside. Pull out the drone first. There's obviously going to be some other stuff, but this is what we are interested in. The DJI Neo, right here it is, you see. All right, we're going to want to go ahead and pull it out of its plastic here. There she is. Very small drone, you can see here, compared to the size of my hands. It easily fits in your hand. And a couple noticeable features that if you've been doing your research on the Neo, you'll see. Built-in propeller guards here around the perimeter of the propeller, and then these guards themselves are removable, but this frame around the propeller is part of the drone frame. We have our single axis gimbal and our camera here on this end, so it's going to give us our 4K capability, which really sets this drone apart from other drones in this class of drones. We have our power button and mode buttons. They are 6 quick shot options. We have our standard battery level indicator like most DJI drones. So this is the Neo itself, fresh out of the package. Looking down the underside, we have our downward optical sensor, and then of course here is our battery. And when you buy the drone, the way I did, just the drone, not a fly more kit or anything, you just get a single battery, which is going to give 15 to 18 minutes flight time. So I'm not going to be able to spend a whole lot of time in the air with this drone until I buy more batteries, but for now this is what we're working with. This is the drone straight out of the box. Here's our USB-C cable here. Remember, of course, follow these directions about charging and activating the battery. But remember, this drone does not have an SD card slot, so you're only working with onboard storage, and I believe it's about 22 gigabytes of storage, and that's all you have to work with here is the internal storage on the DJI Neo. And now that we've seen the drone here in its fresh out of the box state, we'll go ahead and look through what else comes in the box and talk about what else you need to get started flying. All right, now to take a look at the other contents in the box. First and foremost, other than the drone, we will have our USB-C charging cable. Of course, for charging the drone and what you're going to connect the drone to your computer with to get the footage out. Like I said, you can't remove the SD card and use an SD card reader because there is no SD card slot on this drone. You're forced to rely on the internal storage. So you use this guy to get the footage off of the drone and to charge the drone. All right, inside the box that the charging cable comes in, you're going to get 2 spare propellers with spare hardware there. You see those tiny little screws. You get 2 of them, each with 2 screws for mounting. I don't particularly think spare propellers are going to be, braking propellers is going to be a huge deal with this drone because you can see they're very protected. But let's say you remove the propeller guards or you're just very hard on the drone in general, that could come in handy. And they also give you this handy tiny little screwdriver to access the tiny hardware that holds in the propellers. All right, the last contents of this pretty small box is going to be some DJI paperwork, and I think I see some stickers in there and probably whatever I need to scan to do DJI Care Refresh if I want to on this drone. But some information about the DJI store, DJI forums, stuff like that. And now we have safety guidelines for the DJI Neo, which, you know, there's not a lot of them, but something quick to look through before you operate this thing fully. We have quick start guide for the DJI Neo, which is going to be something that I go through in a different video, but this is going to be very useful. But you can see this is very short. This is a very short guide, and I believe that's the draw to the Neo, is its ease of use and how quickly you can just get started with it. And then we have here one more little package to open. And inside of that package, we have some other DJI infant material, a sticker, lots of stickers, and more DJI information. So I'm definitely going to be using these stickers for something, maybe the cases for my other drones, but lots of good information in these pamphlets, lots of good gear with the Neo, and this is going to be fun to learn how to use. Thanks y'all for sticking along here through the unboxing. All right, y'all, that's pretty much it for this video. Super quick unboxing, just so you guys could see what comes in the package with the DJI Neo. I literally just got this thing in the mail 2 hours ago. I just got home to pick it up, so I haven't been able to get out and fly this drone yet, so that's why there's no flying in this video, but I will definitely be making tutorials and how-to videos and just reviews for this drone very soon. So thanks for watching this video, and make sure you subscribe for more for my subsequent videos on the DJI Neo. Thanks, you guys.